we're back here with the 2020 RSQ8. We've got the downpipes installed, and we're going to get ready to go ahead and install an Akrapovic catback exhaust. And after that, you'll also see an X6M getting an Akrapovic exhaust as well. Putting the Akrapovic carbon fiber tips on, and got a little protection on them because they're very nice looking. So this exhaust system is a little more involved on the installation than your typical exhaust. We pretty much have to strip the trunk of this to get access to behind these panels so we can wire in the new active exhaust or exhaust valves, whatever you want to call them. This exhaust isn't cheap, but look at that. It comes with the grommet and everything. You don't gotta do none of the dumb work.
That's great. And the grommet fits. And
you just gotta do the hard work, not the dumb work. Click. So, we got the exhaust assembled and ready to bolt into the car. Everything's wired up, ready to go, so we'll see how this fits. Heck yeah. So we just finished up the exhaust here, and that's all the way from the turbos all the way back. Downpipes, catback. We're gonna go ahead and rev it up with the valves closed and then do some more with the valves open, see how it sounds. Alright, what's going on, guys? So we just finished up the full Akrapovic exhaust on the RSQ8. It's got downpipes, catback, everything, and we're getting ready to get started on the X6 M50i with a Akrapovic catback. You better watch out, those staples are popping. look like a deer. We are taking the entire bumper off because you cannot get the exhaust off because of this entire bumper surround and some of the support brackets on the inner part of the bumper, basically. All the structural stuff. Before we can get the bumper off, we got to get the interior apart to get that last taillight bolt out. That side has a hatch. This side has a hatch, but there's a bunch of stuff in the way. So it doesn't do any good.
So it's not just as easy as bolt it off, bolt it on.
No. You have to take a lot of things off. A lot of under trays, a lot of support braces, sometimes the whole bumper, sometimes half the bumper, usually the interior if it has valves. So
good times.
this is just some of what's involved. Sounds like why do you think I said this was gonna be so hard? Look at this thing. It's like at least pretty long. Alright, what's up? So I just finished the exhaust on the X6 M50i here, so we're going to go ahead and start it up and see what it sounds like. Valves closed, valves open, we'll do both.
Alright, so we just finished up the Akrapovic exhaust on the X6M. We're going to go ahead and show you guys how they sound between the RSQ8 and that. Now the RSQ8 does have Akrapovic downpipe. The X6M, it's a X6 M50i actually, and they do not have a downpipe available for it. So that is actually has the factory cats in it. So we're going to show you how that sounds now. Alright guys, so let us know what you think down below in the comments. Which exhaust you like better, the one on the RSQ8 or the one on the X6M. Thanks for watching. Hopefully we'll have some cool new content for you guys soon.
How about that time?
Put it in focus.
I gotta choose this first.
Do you?
Yeah, I can't take another bite yet.
Sponsored by Wawa.
That's all, man.